Now, her death by suicide happened nearly a decade ago, and Amanda Todd's name still, of course, resonates with people all over the world. The 15-year-old died after an online campaign of harassment against her that involved leaked photos and blackmail. And now BC Supreme Court has handed down a guilty verdict to the man behind it. Amanda's mother, Carol Todd, is joining us this morning. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
You're just showing pictures of your daughter, of Amanda. What was she like? What do you want people to know about her?
She was a really vibrant kind of child, right? Spirited, eager to do things artistic. She loved to sing. She loved to do art. What she struggled in was school academics, which made her life a bit difficult going through school. But she was your typical teenager that just wanted to have friends and be on social media.
Carol, what was this weekend like for you? How did you feel when you heard that guilty verdict?
I'm still digesting it, really. It just replays in my mind, standing in the courtroom and hearing the jury foreperson after the counts were read. Each count was read and them saying guilty every time. You never know what to expect when there's going to be a verdict. So I didn't really... I couldn't set my bar really high because I didn't want to be disappointed. So ultimately, with the 5 guilty counts, I was just breathless. There's no word to describe it. You'd have to be there to experience to know, but I know that everyone in that gallery watching, media, my friends, there was just a sense of jubilation when we heard that.
Now, we know that you've been pushing to see sextortion added to the Criminal Code of Canada. What would that change for cases like this?
Well, what I understand is that there is in the Criminal Code extortion, and it covers a whole range of different things. But you know what? When you add sextortion, I think that it's more defined. It can be more defined. It can be more specific. And we know that sextortion cases are on the rise globally, and this story of Amanda, this tragedy is just horrific, and every family, that every young person, older person that experiences needs to know that they can report it and that there can be progressive outcomes down the road, right? And what makes this one so different is that the predator was from another country and he was extradited into Canada to have the trial against Amanda, right? So legal precedent.
And sentencing is expected on Thursday. What are you hoping for? What are you hoping to see?
I was under the impression that legal counsel and the justice and Mr. Coban were going to meet to talk about sentencing and talk about scheduling a sentencing date. So I am not privy to that information as I know it now, but we'll wait and see what happens. You know what? Any extra time that he has in jail is good because he's already serving 10 years and 8 months in the Netherlands for victimizing other young girls and some gay men. So this just keeps him incarcerated longer.
Carol Todd, we really appreciate you talking to us here on Your Morning this morning. Thank you.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.